What if there was a sound so powerful it could unlock the mysteries of the universe, heal your body, and calm your mind? You heard that right. 528 Hz. The frequency of love is here to guide you on a journey of healing, transformation, and connection to the divine. Join us as we explore the secrets of 528 Hz and discover how this incredible frequency can change your life forever. Step into the world of ancient wisdom where hidden harmonies reveal themselves. Our story begins with the Ennead, a group of 9 Egyptian gods representing the fundamental forces of nature. Their wisdom echoed through the ages, influencing cultures from Greece to Christianity. And among them was the legendary Hermes Trismegistus, the thrice great Hermes who combined the knowledge of Thoth, the ibis-headed god of wisdom, with the practical teachings of the Egyptian god of the dead, Anubis. Together, they formed the Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn, a secret society dedicated to unlocking the hidden truths of the universe. As members initiated into the mysteries of alchemy, astrology, and magic, they uncovered a profound truth that the universe is based on sound vibrations, music of the spheres. The planets, stars, and galaxies are in constant motion, creating a symphony of frequencies that govern the very fabric of reality. And then came the Solfeggio scale, 6 sacred tones that resonated with the divine frequencies of the universe. Ut quebrantos, the first note in the scale, carries the vibration of creation, reminding us of our innate power to shape our reality. Verily, let it be done, echoes with divine will and affirmation. A song of birds takes us on a journey of revelation and insight. The ancient Greek word for this is nous, meaning both mind and understanding. Thus, the second tone reveals the path to enlightenment. Let it be so, invites surrender and acceptance, aligning us with the flow of life. The fifth tone, glory and beauty, speaks of divine perfection and the inherent worth of every human being. And finally, the sixth tone, adoration, carries the vibration of love, harmony, and unity with the divine. As the centuries passed, the wisdom of the Hermetica was preserved in texts like the Emerald Tablet, a concise summary of alchemical principles attributed to Hermes. The tablet offers profound insights into the nature of reality, stating, "As above, so below, as within, so without." This Hermetic principle encapsulates the interconnectedness of all things and the power of sound vibrations to manifest our desires. In the 1970s, a breakthrough discovery brought the secrets of the Solfeggio scale to a wider audience. Dr. Joseph P. Atwater, a pioneering researcher in the field of sound healing, rediscovered an ancient manuscript detailing the use of these sacred tones for healing and transformation. Known as the Verbo Tenebris, or the Book of the Voice, this mysterious text revealed the healing potential of the Solfeggio scale, including the unique properties of 528 Hz. With renewed interest, researchers began exploring the deeper meaning and applications of these frequencies. By unraveling the mysteries of 528 Hz, Dr. Atwater and his contemporaries opened a new chapter in the understanding of sound healing and its profound impact on human consciousness and well-being. Now let's uncover the fascinating history of 528 Hz and its cultural significance throughout history. The number 528 holds profound meaning across various cultures and traditions. In numerology, each digit contributes to the overall vibration. The number 5 symbolizes freedom, adventure, and transformation, while 2 represents harmony, balance, and cooperation. When combined, the number 528 embodies a powerful message of balance and harmony. This resonates deeply with the vibrational essence of 528 Hz, the frequency of love. One of the most compelling links to 528 Hz is its alleged presence in ancient Egyptian pyramids. According to some sources, the Great Pyramid of Giza, with its precise orientation and geometric proportions, resonates at 528 Hz when struck. This extraordinary claim suggests that the ancient builders of the pyramids may have incorporated this sacred frequency into their iconic structures, imbuing them with spiritual significance. The alleged presence of 528 Hz in the Great Pyramid adds another layer of mystery and wonder to this ancient structure. Whether through intentional design or natural phenomenon, the Great Pyramid resonates with the frequency of love, inviting us to contemplate the deeper mysteries of the universe. 528 Hz finds its place in the rich tapestry of ancient wisdom, carrying with it the legacy of the horologium, an enigmatic device said to have been used by the legendary King Solomon. Described in medieval texts, the horologium is believed to have been a sophisticated instrument capable of harnessing the power of sound to produce miraculous effects. One of the key features of the horologium was its association with the number 6, which held great significance in biblical numerology. The number 6 symbolized harmony, perfection, and divine creation. Interestingly, when we analyze the vibrational essence of 528 Hz, we discover that its numerical roots also lead to the number 6. This intriguing connection between the horologium, the number 6, and 528 Hz suggests a profound link between ancient instruments and the mysteries of sound. The legend of 528 Hz continues to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike as they delve into the depths of this enigmatic frequency. One notable investigator is Dr. Leonard Horowitz, whose groundbreaking work explores the profound implications of 528 Hz on human health and well-being. In his research, Dr. Horowitz highlights the potential therapeutic benefits of this frequency, suggesting that it can promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Another prominent researcher, Dr. Glenn D. Rhine, delves into the fascinating relationship between 528 Hz and DNA. Through his experiments, Dr. Rhine investigates the potential influence of this frequency on genetic material, exploring its possible role in enhancing DNA repair mechanisms and promoting cellular regeneration. But the story of 528 Hz takes an unexpected turn with the emergence of conspiracy theories that question the authenticity of these ancient connections. Skeptics suggest that these links to ancient wisdom and artifacts may be modern fabrications lacking concrete evidence. They argue that attributing ancient origins to 528 Hz serves more as a means to enhance its mystique rather than a genuine reflection of its historical roots. Despite these controversies, the enduring popularity of 528 Hz as a frequency of love and healing persists. Many individuals continue to explore its potential benefits and incorporate it into their lives through meditation, sound therapy, and other practices. As the debate surrounding the origins of 528 Hz continues, one thing becomes clear: its impact on individuals seeking holistic well-being and spiritual connection remains undeniable. So go forth, seeker, and embrace the transformative power of 528 Hz. Allow its frequency of love to guide you on your journey towards healing, enlightenment, and harmony with the cosmos. Tune your being to the rhythm of the universe and unlock the secrets of the ancients. Embrace the mystical allure of 528 Hz and discover the profound impact it can have on your life. Whether you seek relaxation, healing, or a deeper connection with the divine, this extraordinary frequency holds the key to your transformation. Join us in the comments below and share your experiences with the frequency of love. How has 528 Hz touched your life? What transformations have you witnessed? Your stories have the power to inspire and uplift others on their own journeys. Together, let's create a community of love and healing, embracing the harmonious vibrations that connect us all.